MS PowerPoint, giving presentations. Slideshow options. The Slideshow group on the Slideshow tab contains many options for the slideshow. Let's learn about these options. From beginning, it starts the slideshow from the first slide of the presentation. From current slide, it starts the slideshow from the active slide. Present online. It presents the slideshow online. Custom slideshow. It presents the slide selected by you. Setting up slideshow. The Setup Slideshow option is available in the Setup group of Slideshow tab. It allows you to set preferences on how the slideshow will be presented. When you click on Setup Slideshow option, a Setup Show window appears on the screen. It includes many options like Show Type, Show Slides, Show Options, Advanced Slides, and multiple monitors. Let's learn about them. Show Type. It allows to configure the presentation for one of the three basic slideshow types. Presented by a speaker, full screen, browsed by an individual, window, or browsed at a kiosk, full screen. Show Options. To run the show indefinitely until you press Escape, select the loop continuously until Escape checkbox. You can also run a show with or without narration. Pen color. It selects the pen color to be used. Laser pointer color. It selects the color of the laser pointer. Show Slides. To include all slides in the slideshow, select All or choose from and enter starting and ending slide numbers if you want to display just some slides in the slideshow. Advanced Slides. You can choose to change the slides manually by pressing the Enter key or by clicking on the slide. To set the show to proceed automatically, select Using Timings if present. Multiple monitors. This option is used to select the monitor from the drop-down list in the multiple monitors area if the computer has two monitors. Recording narration. PowerPoint allows you to record a narration for the slideshow. You need to connect a recording device to your system and make sure that microphone software is installed in it. As you record narration, it stores slide files separately so that the slides are synchronized with the narrations recorded by you. Follow these steps to record narration for the slides. 1. Click on the Record Slideshow option from the Setup group of the Slideshow tab. It will give two options: Start recording from beginning and Start recording from current slides. 2. Click on any one of the options. 3. Click on the Start Recording button. 4. Speak in the microphone when the recording dialog box appears on the screen. 5. To stop recording, click on Cross button. Total time of the slideshow is displayed on the left button on the screen. Rehearse Timings. Rehearse Timings allows you to set up a presentation to play at a certain speed without having to click on the slides. Using this feature, you can save timings for each slide and animation. The PowerPoint will play the presentation automatically using these timings. Follow these steps to rehearse timings. 1. Click on the Rehearse Timings option from the Setup group of the Slideshow tab. 2. You will be taken to a full screen view of the presentation. Practice speaking and advance the slides as required in the presentation. 3. Click on the Next button on the recording toolbar in the upper left corner. 4. When you reach the end of the show, a dialog box appears displaying the total time of your presentation. Click on the Yes button if you are satisfied with the timing. Creating speaker notes. Speaker notes or notes pages are the notes added to the slides as a reference for the speaker. They allow you to create notes for each slide. Follow these steps to add speaker notes. 1. Select the slide. 2. Go to View tab of PowerPoint window and select Notes Page option from the Presentation Views group. 3. Click to Add Text section appears on the slide. Type the notes for the selected slide. Printing a presentation. Follow these steps to print a presentation. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on the Print option. Various print options will be displayed. 3. Select the number of copies from Copies box. 4. Choose other desired options and click on the Print button. Spell check. Spell check is used to check the spelling errors in a presentation. Follow these steps to check the spelling errors. 1. Click on the Review tab. 2. Click on the Spelling button in the Proofing group. 3. A spelling box appears on the right side of the slide. Change the spelling or ignore the suggested changes. Running a slideshow. Follow these steps to run a slideshow. 1. To start the slideshow, click on the From Beginning button or the From Current Slide button of the Start Slideshow on the Slideshow tab. 2. Use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move forward or backward in a presentation. Press the Escape key to end the slideshow. Tips for an effective presentation. While designing and running a presentation, keep the following points in mind. Slides should be of consistent design throughout the presentation. Use high-quality graphics and pictures to make the presentation attractive. Remove unnecessary information from the presentation. Use contrasting background and text colors. Limit bullet points and text. Do not use more than 6 bullets per page. Limit to 3 fonts for the text in a presentation. Use consistent fonts throughout the presentation. The text under bullets should be short ideas, not long sentences. Add web links to your presentation and use hyperlinks between the slides. Prepare the introduction and conclusion.